Senate Bill 213 was signed into law by Governor Hickenlooper recently. It is called the Claire Davis School Safety Act. It was because of the issue surrounding a young lady named Claire Davis who was killed by a fellow student at Arapahoe High School in 2013. Claire Davis and her family filed suit, and they tried to, in the event, the problem they ran into was what is called the Colorado Government Immunity Act, which really essentially precludes anyone to get a viable claim perfected and recover money and damages from the schools or the school districts under most circumstances, unless they could prove that the school was wanton and reckless in their behavior and their failure to act and prevent this sort of thing from taking place. This law changed that standard. All we have to prove now is that the school was not prudent and was not reasonable in their actions or their failure to act. The individual still has to prove with all the facts and with all of these, under all of the circumstances, that the school was negligent. But at least they don't have to prove that the school was intentionally allowing a bad situation to continue. One of the things it did is it set forth and established a committee that's going to study violence in our schools to come up with other procedures and actions or recommendations as to what can be done to eliminate violence in our schools.